Big news, everyone. Apple might soon start charging you for using their advanced AI features. You heard it right. Apple could add a fee of up to $20, possibly integrating it into their Apple One subscription. It's all part of Apple's plan to ramp up growth in their highly profitable services sector. Right now, Apple One subscription costs $19.95 a month and gives you access to a bunch of services like Apple Music. Apple could roll out its new AI features in one of two ways. One, incorporation into existing subscriptions. They might add these features into their current subscriptions like iCloud Plus or Apple One, just like they bundle iCloud storage, Apple Music, and Apple TV Plus together. Two, separate pricing. Apple might offer these AI features as a standalone service or an add-on to existing subscriptions, depending on what they're offering and who they're targeting. If you caught my last video, you know that the Apple iPhone 16 series is dropping next month with some seriously advanced AI capabilities. Back in June, Apple showed off Apple Intelligence, which packs a bunch of AI-powered features for your iPhones, iPads, and Macs. I was just diving into Apple's latest earnings report from August 1st, 2024. Apple's services division raked in a massive $24.2 billion in the June quarter alone. That's insane, right? Especially when you think about how most hardware companies are still trying to figure out how to make money from software. These numbers tell a lot about how people are willing to pay for services offered by Apple, whether it's iCloud, Apple Music, or even those little in-app purchases. You must have spent it at least 99 cents for those game apps or Apple Music. With the global popularity of iPhone and the current admiration of AI, I wouldn't be surprised if people might spend extra money for Apple Intelligence. Well, it is not unusual for technology firms to charge for their AI offerings. OpenAI, for example, has a subscription fee of $20 and $25 for their advanced ChatGPT features, like Plus and Team, respectively. Google's AI software Gemini is free, but its higher version called Gemini Advanced is a paid subscription that costs $20 per month and includes more features and capabilities than the free version. It also comes with 2 terabytes of storage, which Google normally charges $10 per month for. Microsoft charges for its AI Copilot tool, typically bundled with specific Microsoft 365 plans, rather than being available for individual purchase. Apple AI versus Galaxy AI. Apple's biggest rival, Samsung, which has already begun rolling out its artificial intelligence services known as Galaxy AI, is still considering various revenue models for its software. Tim Rowe is the man behind bringing Samsung, which is the world's largest smartphone maker, into the artificial intelligence era. Last month, Samsung held its Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event in Paris, and Tim Rowe laid out Samsung's vision for Galaxy AI and how the company is thinking about making money off software and about future products. Samsung surprised everyone with its AI advancements at this event. They're taking camera tech to the next level with AI-driven features that enhance image quality and video stabilization. Their new software is smarter than ever, offering predictive text and intuitive app suggestions. Plus, they're integrating AI into health and wellness features, making fitness tracking and personalized health insights even better. Galaxy AI will also be expanded across the Samsung portfolio, including more intelligent productivity with the Galaxy Book 4 series, intelligent health with the Galaxy Watch 6 series, and Galaxy Ring, which is being publicly displayed for the first time. Let's explore Apple Intelligence with my business partner David and see if it's worth spending $20 monthly.
Apple Intelligence represents a major leap in how AI is integrated into the Apple ecosystem, bringing advanced capabilities directly to users' devices. This suite of AI features is designed to work seamlessly across iPhones, iPads, Macs, and Apple Watches, creating a cohesive and intuitive user experience. At its core, Apple Intelligence leverages machine learning and natural language processing to understand user behavior and preferences. This enables it to perform tasks more efficiently and provide personalized assistance. For instance, Apple Intelligence can analyze your daily routines and offer suggestions based on your habits, like recommending apps or reminding you of important events. A significant aspect of Apple Intelligence is its ability to perform actions using natural language. Users can interact with their devices in a conversational manner, asking the AI to schedule appointments, send messages, or find specific information. This makes interacting with technology more intuitive and less reliant on traditional input methods. Privacy is a key focus of Apple Intelligence. Most AI processing is done on-device, ensuring that personal data remains secure and private. When more intensive processing is needed, the data is encrypted and anonymized before being sent to the cloud. This approach minimizes the risk of data breaches and ensures that users have control over their information. Another notable feature is the integration of Apple Intelligence across all Apple devices. This means that your AI assistant is always available, whether you're using your iPhone, Mac, or Apple Watch. The seamless connectivity allows for a consistent experience, enabling users to switch between devices without losing context or functionality. Apple Intelligence brings a host of features that make daily interactions with technology smoother and more intuitive. One of the standout features is the ability to perform natural language actions. This means you can speak to your devices in a conversational way, asking them to schedule appointments, send messages, or even find specific files. For instance, saying, "Remind me to call mom at 6 p.m." or "Find my report from last week," will prompt the AI to take immediate action. In terms of image capabilities, Apple Intelligence can analyze and enhance photos using advanced AI. This includes recognizing faces, places, and objects to organize your photo library automatically. It also includes the ability to generate AI images of people in your contacts, adding a creative touch to your interactions. For example, it can create custom emojis or avatars based on the people you message frequently. Semantic search is another powerful feature. It allows you to search for information in a way that understands the context of your request. Instead of typing specific keywords, you can ask, "When did I last meet with John?" And the AI will sift through your calendar, emails, and messages to find the relevant information. This makes finding information faster and more efficient. Privacy remains a top priority with Apple Intelligence. Most AI processes are handled directly on your device, which means your personal data stays secure and private. When cloud processing is necessary, the data is encrypted to prevent unauthorized access. This ensures that your personal information is protected while still allowing you to benefit from advanced AI capabilities. Apple Intelligence serves as a personal assistant, helping you manage your day-to-day tasks effortlessly. Whether it's scheduling a meeting, organizing your photos, or finding important documents, this AI is designed to make your life easier while keeping your data safe. By integrating these advanced features across the Apple ecosystem, users get a consistent and powerful AI experience on all their devices.
Thanks, David. It's just fascinating to see how Apple keeps setting the bar higher and higher. What do you all think? Would you be down to pay $20 for a new AI service from Apple? Or will rather subscribe to my channel? Let me know in the comments below.